Hey. Yeah. He's only righteous. Those who trust in the Most High. It says nothing can move them.
Nothing can move them. Nah.
Rock is solid and his walls high. It's built like walls round Jerusalem. The wicked won't violate the righteous with violence. No need for me to stand up against them. The evil will not remain over the righteous state. Like Romans 8, what can separate me? Those who trust in the Most High. It says nothing can move them.
Nothing can move them. Nah.
The rock is solid and his walls high. He's built like walls round Jerusalem. So no matter what them try, they can penetrate the hill that surrounds me. Covered on every side.
Still can penetrate the hill that surrounds me.
Jehovah is my guide.
Still can penetrate the hill that surrounds me.
Your presence brings peace that surrounds me, and your glories around me. Thank you, Father, you love me. Those who trust in the Most High. It says nothing can move them, because you are the rock solid mountain.
Jesus, you are.
Because you are the rock solid
Mountain.
Jesus, you are. You are the rock solid
Mountain.
my great cornerstone. You are.
Jesus,
You are the rock solid.
mountain.
Jesus, you are. Jesus, you are.
Jesus, you are.
Solid. You are the rock.
Rock solid mountain.
Jesus, you are.
Jesus,
Yeah, you
you
are.
are.
You are the rock solid.
Rock solid mountain.
And nothing can move him, so we will not be moved.
Don't be too dramatic.